Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to unbox Mars Toys the Penguin, and also I want to do a review for it. So let's get to the unboxing. Now I got mine from Alliexpress. It did took a while to arrive, but if you want to get it, it's still available there. I will drop a link in description. You can still get it. I got it during Cyber Monday discount deal, so I got it for really good price, and the delivery was free as well. So looking at the box, the front art doesn't really look like very good quality. It looks pixelated. I got A version. I didn't go with the B version. The box is a little bit damaged from one corner, but the rest of the box is in very good shape, and luckily there was no damage on the figure. The rest of the box does look good, but the front art is really pixelated and not really good quality. Yeah, as you can see, it really looks pixelated and not that impressive in person. So you do get an overcoat. We will look at it in detail in short while. And then the figure itself, it does look good. The first impressions are very good. The ankles are a bit loose, so I'm worried it will be hard to stand on its own, but we will see later. The head sculpt itself, it's very good and very big improvement from the first announcement. So now, yeah, it does really look like accurate to the movie and the show itself as well. And this is a bag. The zip is functional, you can open it, and inside you get dollar printed dollar bills. It's not fully until the end. They put like a black foam and just the dollar bills are on top, so to make it look like the bag is full of cash, but it's not, but it does the job. And you get total 6 hands, 6 extra hands I mean, and they are really good quality, really painted good. And here I'm showing the different hands. You can pause and see in detail the paint quality. It does look good in person. It does the job. Now all of his left hands come with the ring, and it looks very impressive, and it's painted very sharply. It looks very impressive. So these are all the hands you get with this figure, and the relaxed hands are already on the body. So other than those two, you get 6 extra hands in the box. Now let's get to the second layer. Now you do get a base with this figure, and it does look very good, and there is a big red printed logo of the Batman, and it says the Penguin, which I like the fact that it says Penguin, not the official name of this figure, which is Mob Boss. And you get a crouch grabber, and this is an Uzi gun. It does look good. It's not a very good quality, but it does the job. And you get drops, like drug drops from the movie and the show, I believe. So yeah, you get a lot of them, so you can scatter around the base. This, I believe, is the extra buttons for the shirt. I'm not really sure. And you do get the umbrella as well. It's an iconic accessory for the Penguin, so I'm glad they included this as well. Now these are all the accessories. Now let's take a closer look at the figure itself. As you can see, you don't have to do much straight out of the box. It does look really good. The padding is there, but I feel like his shoulder and the back side lacks the padding, but front side padding, it does look really good, but I think I will be doing like a custom padding for him. But straight out of the box, it does look good. The head sculpt is really great. The paint application is great as well. Really big improvement from the first announcement from the Moss Toys. So I'm really glad they redid it. Now this coat is pleather, I believe. It does look okay, but I think the quality is not that good and it won't last long as well. Yeah, so if you want to display this, you can. I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna be displaying this figure with this coat or not. Now I want to see how it looks with the coat on, so let's give it a try now. It does really go on the figure quite easily. It's not that hard to put on. You just bend the both arms backwards and bend the hand a little bit, and it will be easier that way. Now you do have to move it around a bit and fuss with it to make it look good, but it's not that difficult, I think. And the belt, you can leave it open or you can close it as well. It's really up to you and your preference how you want it to display. Now the coat, it does make it look more bulkier, so it's a good look. If you don't want to do like any custom padding, or you think the padding on the figure itself is not enough, you can put the coat on. Coat does make it look like a bigger. So yeah, coat is also a good display option if you think this coat is good as in terms of like displayability and quality. Yeah, so as you can see, this belt is you can close this belt, and it gives you a really wide variety of display options. You can close this belt or you can leave it open, is up to you. So this is how it looks with the coat on and the belt closed. Yeah, so I really like this look as well. I might go with the coat in my display, but we'll see. Yeah, as you can see, it makes it look a bit I mean a bit bigger than before. So I really like the fact that it now looks fuller, and yeah, so the proportions look better with the coat, I think. Now let's take a closer look at the accessories. This is the umbrella. The details look quite good. I think the paint job is fine, I guess, but it's a very important accessory for the penguin. And this is the Uzi gun. Like I said, the quality is not that good. It's a plastic painted like metal, but I think it does the job. It does look really good for third party. And this is the drug drops, which are printed quite nicely. And this is the bag. The zip is openable, so you can it's up to you if you want to take out the dollar bills from inside and scatter on the base, or you can even make him hold the dollar bills. Yeah, and if you want to hold the bag, want him to hold the bag, you can as well. So there are like there are many display options. Yeah, so the printed details are quite nice, and you can even see inside the packaging the drug itself. It does look really good. So this is me trying to change his hands in real time, so you can get a rough idea like how difficult it is to change his hands and accessories. You can skip this part if you want, but I think it's like really important to see, because some figures hands are really quite difficult to change. So I wanted to show you like what you can expect if you get this figure. Yeah, and this is me trying to put the bag in the hand. You can actually take out his hand and put the bag on the hand first and then peg it inside. It's really up to you what you prefer. Yeah, so this is a good display option as well. You can display him like this. I really quite like the look of it. Now I will show you 2 or 3 display options like with different accessories, so you have a like rough idea what poses you can go and what display options you can do with him. I really like the figure. It does really look good with the Hot Toys Batman, as you will see at the end of the video. And if you really like the video, please like, subscribe, comment, share your thoughts, and yeah, please subscribe so you don't miss the future videos. Yeah, thank you so much for giving this video your time and enjoying the video. You can share your thoughts in comments down below.